Hey everybody, this is my wife Jo Bell from Jo's World, and tonight she's going to be making lumpia, some beef lumpia for me to take to the office for a retirement party for one of my co-workers, Mark. Good luck, Mark. And Jo Bell, what do we got here? How are we going to make the lumpia?
And we got here spring roll and beef.
At the Asian market?
Ground beef. Yeah, Asian market.
Yeah.
Ground beef. I have Mamasitas Lumpia mix.
We're making a whole bunch, so we got what? How much?
This is 2 pounds, and
2 pounds
for
of beef.
sachet is 1 pound, so I will use 2 sachet, 2
packets?
2 packets. We call it
Sachet. This is a sachet.
Sachet.
This is a sachet in America. It's a sachet.
Have a oyster. I'm gonna use like 1 tablespoon. I have 1 cup.
Oyster sauce.
Yeah. Well.
This is a reminder.
Alexa,
Take my tip.
stop.
Well, continue. I have 1 cup diced of celery, 1 cup diced of onion. I have like one
cup of.
1 pieces of.
Oh, 1 carrot.
1
It
carrot.
looks like it's finely shaved.
Yeah, I like shredded because yeah, like this. I just like it. I have a little of garlic, because in this sachet there's a garlic powder in here, so I will not put a lot
In the sachet.
in the sachet. We're gonna start cooking now.
All right. The sooner we start cooking, the sooner we can start eating. All right. Thank you for doing this for me. My friends at work will enjoy, I'm sure.
Well, so let's go start cooking. So guys, I forgot to mention that we need oil, salt, and pepper, and also 2 eggs later. Onion. Garlic, carrot, now ground beef, add 2 packets of Mamasitas Lumpia mix. Celery. Black pepper. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. So let it cook for about 3 minutes and it's done. Use 2 egg yolks with the lumpia mix. Set the egg whites aside. They will be used later for egg wash. Here you go, guys. My husband gonna taste the lumpia.
It looks delicious. It's hot.
Yeah.
It's really hot. And we're gonna use a little bit of the sweet chili sauce.
Yes, really good. Crunchy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It is delicious. Ooh,
Alright.
the sauce is a little bit spicier than I remember, but really good crunch. And then the stuffing, what do we call it? The filler is really good. So I get to eat these?
Yeah,
All right.
eat that all.
And the rest in this big pan here,
Yeah.
they're going to be fried up tonight, and I'll take them to work tomorrow. Nice, thank you.
More. Love you.
Delicious. Love you too.
Okay, so, well, I'm gonna be
I'm
up
gonna
for
go
a while to wrap all
I'm
of
gonna go eat
this.
these.
Bye.
Bye bye.
So, guys, that's it for
Hang
now.
on, I need that chili sauce over there.
Well, so guys, that's it for now, and I'm gonna see you on my next vlog. Bye bye.
Thank you, Joe.